Welcome to the DuraWRX Bench, your source for all DEF header and sensor insights and training. Today we're going to go over the basics of a DEF header, what it is, its purpose, and how to keep it maintained. So let's jump on in. What is a DEF header? DEF stands for diesel exhaust fluid. A DEF header is a critical component of the emission system used in heavy-duty diesel equipment and vehicles, and is located inside a diesel exhaust fluid tank. It's responsible for monitoring fluid levels, temperature, and quality, while also keeping the fluid properly circulated and heated in cold conditions. Without it, emission systems can't function properly, and your truck could be sidelined. The DEF sensors send an analog or digital signal to the ECM. These signals represent real-time data for the DEF level, temperature, and/or quality. The ECM interprets this data and then, based on the engine OEM's protocol, may trigger a check engine light, engine derate, not allow startup, and so on. DEF headers often go by different names in the industry. You may hear them called DEF sending unit, DEF head, DEF tank module, DEF level sensor, or DEF quality sensor. And if you're in Europe, you may even hear DEF referred to as AdBlue or urea instead. No matter the name, they all serve the same essential purpose. As you can see, not all DEF headers are created equal. They vary in length, sensor configuration, and even how they connect to the tank, which is really dictated by the tank design itself. As you can see, we have got a few tank interfaces here, with a hose bead, bore seal type, a bayonet, 6-bolt, and this SAE cam lock type connection. Proper maintenance is key to DEF header life. Regular inspection, using clean DEF, and protecting electrical connections can greatly extend header life and reduce costly downtime. Knowing which type you're working with will help ensure that you have the correct installation, maintenance, and replacement parts. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow DuraWRX on all of our social channels for more insights and training. We'll see you here next time here on the DuraWRX Bench.